Most men are experts at killing time, unaware that time is actually the one killing them. Right now, as you watch this, the gap between the person you are and the man you could become is widening. The 1% don't view a minute as 60 seconds, they view it as a high-stakes investment. While the masses drift through a fog of digital distractions and empty comforts, the elite are busy buying back their freedom. Every wasted hour is a withdrawal from a future you'll never own. The elite understand a secret the average man ignores. Time isn't money, it is life energy. You can always make more money, but you can never replenish the seconds currently draining from your existence. While drifters spend their days reacting to notifications and scrolling through other people's successes, the architects of the 1% protect their focus with a ruthless, almost violent intensity. They don't manage time, they invest it. Every hour is either a brick in your empire or a hole in your foundation. Stop letting the world dictate your pace. Start treating your energy like the rarest currency on this planet. The 99% are haunted by the ghost of almost. They fall into the trap of productive procrastination, convinced that cleaning their desk or researching for another month counts as progress. It doesn't. These are low-value loops designed to make you feel busy while your potential rots. The average man seeks perfectionism as a shield for his fear of failure, while the 1% choose messy execution over polished stagnation. Stop seeking approval from a crowd that is losing. Break the cycle before it breaks you. Success isn't about working more hours, it's about the raw intensity of the hours you actually work. The 1% practice ruthless elimination, saying no to 90% of opportunities so they can say a definitive yes to the 10% that actually matter. They don't dabble in distractions, they commit to deep work sprints where the phone is dead and the focus is absolute. While the average man multitasks his way into mediocrity, the elite sharpen their attention into a laser. 1 hour of total immersion will always outperform 12 hours of half-hearted effort. Intensity is the only real shortcut. Ask yourself, if you lived today exactly the same way for the next 10 years, where would you actually be? If that image terrifies you, change the trajectory right now. The 1% don't wait for inspiration, they choose discipline over comfort. Close this video, stop the drift, go do the one task you have been avoiding for the last 3 days. Your future self is either thanking you or mourning your potential. Decide which.